Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to resize image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to File folder. I have an image. The dimensions are 1500 pixel times 1000 pixel. If you want to enlarge it, we can go to Canva and choose custom size. And then we can type the width. For example, I make it double size, so I type 3000 in width and 2000 in height in pixel. Actually, we can change the units to inch, millimeter, and centimeters. I will keep it in pixel and then click Create a new design. Next, we can go to File folder and drag and drop the image into Design page. And then we can select the image and click and drag the corner. I press Alt to enlarge it. So we can enlarge it to fit the size in 3000 times 2000 pixels, and then we can download it, go to share, and then go to download. And we can choose the file type. For example, we can choose PNG or others. I will use JPG and then download it. After downloading, we can open the file folder, and then we can see that the image is enlarged to 3000 times 2000 pixels. Now, if we want to reduce the image, we can go back to Canva, and then we can click and drag the corner to reduce it. I put it here. Or we can go to Position and then go to Advanced. We can type the value that we want to resize. Make sure that we lock the ratio in width and height, so we can type the value. For example, I type 900 and I press Enter to resize it. And then if we want to export it, we can press Ctrl+C and V to duplicate one more image. So I put it together. And then we can select both of the image and use right click and go to Use Download Selection. And then we can choose the file type again. I will use JPG and then go to Download. After downloading, we can go to File folder, so we can find that the image size is reduced. So this is how we can resize image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.